In the past, coding on flexible packaging could be tricky, but not anymore. Introducing the Vx150i. Our world of TTO is changing. Are you ready for a change? When developing the VX series, we listened to our customers. They wanted a coding solution that delivers outstanding performance, is easy to use, cost-efficient, and ready for the future. Piece of cake, right? Actually, yes. With the Domino Vx150i, a new little star is born into the Domino family. With print rates of up to 6 prints per second, the Vx150i will deliver clear, machine-readable codes on your flexible packaging. The lightweight cassette with long ribbon roll capacity and quick ribbon changes will allow for longer production runs and less downtime. The Vx150i offers an optional touchscreen to provide an easy interface where labels can be created and edited. The compact system will easily fit in space-constrained form-fill seal machines and flow wrappers. And as no factory air is needed, you will save energy and reduce costs. So, is the Vx150i ready for changing production needs in the future? Definitely. The Vx150i provides options for printing small codes and text, as well as large graphics and logos, helping you to meet both current and future production needs. But this little star is not alone. The Domino family has a complete range of reliable industrial printers, code inspection systems, coding automation solutions, and superior support services throughout the world. So, are you ready for a change now?